What's up? If you guys are watching this video, you're most likely watching something that Jordan Mackley posted on YouTube or online. My name is JC. My channel is JC Keeping It Real. I also have another channel called Entertainment Headquarters 24/7. To be quite frankly honest with you, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Information is power, and what you do with that knowledge is up to you. And the way you conduct your business, it's totally up to you. If you're finding a way or a solution to get out of your current job that you're in, you might want to consider YouTube as an alternative method to making a really nice income once you start generating in sales. I myself, I still have my job. I've known Jordan for 2 years. And what I was able to do in 2 years time when it comes to building up my channel, I'm pretty happy with the outcome. I also have generated income on Google myself, so it's not where I want it to be. Some people are faster than others. Some people's niches are better than others. My niche is kind of like a warm market. There's not really much going on there. So I'm kind of waiting on things to happen for my channel to take off where it needs to really go and add revenues and things like that. Check out my channel, JC Keeping It Real. If you like entertainment and news, things like that, check out Entertainment Headquarters. But most importantly, y'all need to be a student like how I'm a student in Jordan's class. What are you guys waiting for? Sign up, get involved. Peace.